Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to be as regular as I can, and today's video is going to be how to do facial at home, or it's Diwali time and I'm broke as hell and I don't have any money on me. So while going to Health and Glow is a shop where you can get all of the things for your beauty related, skin related and everything, like from perfumes to everything. So I got this Lotus Herbal Radiant Gold Cellular Glow Facial Kit. So there was some offer, like there was 200 rupees off. Otherwise it is guaranteed 100% 2K 24 karat gold. So I don't really believe that, but this was the cheapest that I could go. The price for this is written 265 and I believe there was some 100 rupees off on this. So I got this and I'm going to do follow all of the steps in this. So as per written on the pack, we have 4 things inside it. There is a Radiant Gold Cleansing Scrub, Radiant Gold Activator, then there is a Radiant Gold Massage Cream with Gold Leaf and Radiant Gold Mask. So I'm pretty excited to see if this is some one of the one that is rage all over the internet, wherein they actually stick the golden mask on there. I don't think that they'll provide it for so cheap, but let's see. So the first step itself is scrub. So they haven't included any cleanser in this, and so I just have my Vico turmeric over here. So I'll just quickly wash my face. I have my washcloth and water everywhere, everything here. So I'll just proceed with that. So I'll just remove my watch. So I am just taking some cotton handkerchief and I'm just wetting my face. So don't forget your neck as well. So this is a new one that I got. The one I already have in my shower is about to finish. So it does lather a lot, but I took very little because I don't want to run off to wash basin every now and then. Alright, so I'm back. So now since I've already cleansed my face, I can put this away. I'll just open the box. So we have 4 sachets inside. The number 1 is cleansing scrub, then activator, then massage cream and a mask. So I'll quickly open the cleansing scrub. So as per the description, this is a creamy cleansing scrub, boosts radiance, brightens by deep cleansing the skin and removing dead scales. It has papaya and horse chestnut extracts which help in relieving the skin from rashes, irritation, in addition to providing flawless, smooth and supple skin. So the directions to apply is gently apply cleansing scrub on your moisturized skin in circular movements on the face and neck. Rinse thoroughly or clean with moist cotton. So it is mentioned that you should be doing it on moistened skin. So I just cleansed my face. Let me just have some moisturizer. So I got this in my princess box, so I think it's the time for it to open up. It smells exactly like roses. It smells really good. So this is a fuchsia, rose and geranium cleansing intense moisturizer. I've just taken a very little drop of it. So it's just scattered, so it might look like a lot. Alright, so since we see mostly that in beauty parlors or salons, they generally tend to give us some steam on our face so that all the dirt and junk that is in our all our pores, that is all collected in our pores, can get out easily. So I just did some home remedy, and hence I boiled some water in this saucepan. So I'm just going to take some steam through it for 1 or 2 minutes. So if you see, my face is quite moist now, and this is because of the steam that I just took. So I can start with the first step, that is the cleansing scrub. So if you see here, there is a bend. You can just tuck it open from there, and now I'll just take it out. Off-white in color, and it has very small specks of some golden specks. I'm not sure if this is actual gold, because 276 rupees for actual gold, it would be too much to believe. So I'm just taking a little for now. Yeah, I didn't take it out properly, but I'm just taking very little for now, and then if required I'll take it again. Yeah, I know it doesn't look proper, it looks like a bird poop, but that's not what it is. So I'll just apply it on my face. The smell is very good. It smells like, it is very familiar fragrance, but I can't put my finger on what it is. So yeah, I do feel the chestnut extracts. Sometimes, you know, it is very, it tingles a lot, but it's not. It's very gentle on the skin. And I'm also dragging it down to my neck. So I might be sounding really funny, but just keep on applying it in circular motions on your face as well as your neck. Concentrate on the areas where you get most of the blackheads. For me, it is the T-zone. So this is the T-zone. The cheeks, the lower lip. And if you feel like it is drying a bit, you can take a little water on your hand. You can take a few drops of water on your hand and again continue it. So there isn't any time mentioned for how long you should do it. So, but I think 2 to 3 minutes should be good for it. So ensure that you're not dragging your face down. You have to put it in upwards and circular motion like I am doing. So once you're done with it, you can just wash it off. So I'm using the same cotton cloth, cotton handkerchief that I used, or you can even use cotton wipes. I think it would be good if you sit with a mirror. I just have my viewfinder and it's quite far, so I'm unable to see. Alright, so we are done with the first step, that was the cleansing scrub. I believe there is still some left in it, so might be we can use it for another time, but I think it's a one-time use. So the next step is activator. So it is a unique revolutionary gold activator designed to carry and dissolve 24 karat pure gold leaves to the inner layer of the skin. It encourages cell turnover and maintains skin elasticity without making skin dry or rough. So the directions to apply is take 5 to 7 drops of activator, apply it on your face, massage it for 2 to 3 minutes, and without wiping, continue or without wiping, follow the next step. So we don't have to remove this. Again, this has similar bend. We can simply cut it open from there. I'm just taking a couple of drops of this. So yeah, so this is clear gel and it has some gold sparkles. Again, I'm not sure if this could be original or the real 24 karat gold, but this definitely looks like gold sparkle. So as mentioned, I have already taken 1 drop, then 7. Alright, so I believe I'm done. Again, this is gel like a formula. So I'm just taking a few on my fingertips. I'll first pat it over and apply it on my face, and then I'll start massaging it in. So it's mentioned we need to massage it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll just start my time now. Again, the massaging motion would continue similarly. We have to take it upwards in circular motion. So it has been 2 to 3 minutes and it's pretty much absorbed into my skin. My skin is looking very dewy right now, and the feeling of this is a little sticky. So if you see this, so we'll just proceed on to the third step, which is massage cream. So that was the activator. Now we have the massage cream. So this is an ultra luxurious massage cream enriched with gold leaf particles, revives the inner layer of the skin, replenishes and restores radiance. It penetrates deep inside, provides nourishment and improves blood circulation. This cream imparts a long-lasting metallic look to the skin, rejuvenating youthful experience. So the steps to use or the direction to use is apply the massage cream and gently massage all over face, neck in circular motions. Reapply frequently. Continue massage for 10 to 15 minutes for best result. Remove cream if any with damp cloth. So I've already opened it. I'll take a little on my hand. Again, the fragrance is very similar to the first like cleansing scrub. Also, it looks pretty same as well. So it is like off white creamish color. So this is very thick cream, though it smells like the cleansing scrub, but it is very rich, very thick as well. Okay, so it is looking white as well on my face. I believe that would be because of the activator. So as of now, there has been no like the gold sheet kind of mask. I believe that would be in the mask, but we'll see about that. Because of the continuous massage, I'm very hot right now. So alright guys, so it has been 10 minutes since I've been massaging my face. So now we can move on to the next step. So it was mentioned in the last step that we need to massage it for 10 to 15 minutes for best results. So it has been 10 minutes. I am very tired. I don't have any energy more in me to massage it for another 5 minutes. So I'll just go with the next step. This is the mask. This is a unique brightening gold mask which reverses the oxidation damage to inner layers, gives skin gold-like radiance and a revitalizing effect. So the directions to use for this is apply a generous amount of mask on face and neck. After mask dries, rinse thoroughly or remove with moist cotton. Alright, so this as well, it doesn't look like what I was expecting it to be or what was on the box. It doesn't have a gold sheet. It is again like burnt mustard kind of color. So I'll just take some. It's very cold. Might be also because my palms are really warm from all the rubbing and the massage. So this has pretty identical smell to the other ones as well. So it is mentioned, I will be using my hands itself because that is the best way of doing it. So I'll just apply a very generous layer of this all over my face and neck as mentioned there. And I do have a little tingling sensation on my cheeks. Yeah, so I've applied a generous coat all over my face, and it is mentioned that we need to keep it for like as long as it doesn't dry. So the mask is not wet, it's pretty dry for that matter, and I didn't mix it with water or something like that. I just kept it like that. So I'll just wait for 10 minutes for it to dry and then I'll come back to you guys. So meanwhile I'm resting, I'll just apply this. This is like a mask, eye mask that I got. It has aloe vera and it's like you just keep it in fridge and it's very relaxing for the eyes. So yeah, it's very relaxing for the eyes. So I'll just keep it, I'll wait for 10-15 minutes and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. I know I look very scary, but it has been I guess 10 to 15 minutes since or maybe 15 to 20 minutes since I applied this. So I'm watching there because there's the clock that I was following. So you might see a little, some drops of that was because of that aloe vera, cold aloe vera eye mask, and it was such relaxing thing. So I'll just get it off. Initially I was thinking for normal water, but then I got ice cold water because this was getting so hot. So I'm just taking some water in my pot here, and then so I just took some cotton pads right now, and instead of using the cotton handkerchief that I was using for my cleaning my face, since it was the last step, I will be just using these cotton pads. So I am back. I've washed my face, so I'm just using this clean hand towel and I will just pat dry my face. Alright, so guys, this is how my skin looks after cleaning. I do have a couple of pimples here and here, and this is my natural bronze line. But other than that, I guess I'm pretty happy with this. 265 rupees. I don't think they are going to give you 24 karat original gold, but it did do a quite well a quite good job of, you know, cleaning my skin. My face doesn't feel dry or itchy or that sort. It's pretty hydrated, not very sticky and neither very dry. It's just in between. So there isn't any, they didn't mention if you need to apply any cream or any moisturizer after this, hence I'm just keeping it like this. And just to let you know guys, that this is not a sponsored video. I just didn't actually have money to go and have a facial. So a couple of pros, like the steps are very easy, 1 2 3 4, you can just follow it easily, and then you can though it does not have a cleanser, it is saying that the cleansing and scrub is one, but I think I just came back from office and I didn't think that one thing is gonna make it, so hence I did like I cleansed my face first and then had some steam and then went into the cleansing scrub. So I added 2 more steps prior to this, and I'm pretty happy with the results. And other than that, it is pretty tiring. It's pretty tiring. If after a long day you are doing it on yourself, the entire purpose of having facial is so that somebody can pamper you, somebody can do the massage on your face. Doing it yourself is pretty tiring. I was pretty tired while doing that massage for the massage cream on my face. But other than that, this is pretty good. If you are running a low on budget just like me, you can go opt for this and it's pretty good. I'm happy, and my skin is very, yeah, it's very smooth and it's very supple and soft, not sticky at all, neither dry. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on that like button. You can subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can comment down below if you would like to see any other video. And happy Diwali in advance guys. I know it's just around the corner, so have a happy and safe Diwali. May God bless you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.